Hey everyone, it's time for your bar workout. So, as you can see, I have my bar behind me. So for you at home, it's a bit of a switch up today. You can either go up against a wall, so you can go flat against the wall, palms slightly below shoulder level, and then just drop those palms towards the wall, and just make sure your shoulder blades are touching the wall and your low back is touching it as well. So you want to find that strong bar posture. Otherwise, if you're going to go through, you can put your support behind you like a kitchen counter or your dining room table on either side. Adjust yourselves accordingly and then go ahead and find your first position. So heels together, toes apart. I want you to feel a turnout through the hips and through the thighs. Lift through your seat, find your bar posture, and from here you're going to take one foot right behind you, keeping the turnout nice and strong. So you're going to see that knee pointed out to the corner. You're going to firm up through your supporting leg. We're going to move that heel up and down. Good. Up and down. So this is a little bit intermediate. If you're feeling like single leg is a bit much, go ahead and go back to double. Your call. 4 right here. 3 right here. Good. 2, hold that heel up nice and high. And I want you to find that 1-inch press at the very top of that movement. Good. So I'm not hanging on to my bar for dear life here. Just finding a little bit of support behind me. Yes. Good. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Hold that heel up nice and high. Are you ready? We plie down, 2, and up. Good. I'm keeping that heel high. Keeping that foot behind me relaxed. Good. Down, 2, and up. Yep, that kicks in right away. Single counts if you wish. Take it down and up. Good. Inhale, exhale. If that heel high is too much, then drop it back down to the floor. Otherwise, nice and high, working at the top of that movement. 2 more. Hold nice and low and pulse here for 16, 15. Keep pushing those knees back, opening up through the inner thighs, connecting through the glutes and the core. You got it. 8, 7, 6, oh yeah, 4, 3, 2. Hold this position, drop the heel to the ground. Draw your back foot in front of you this time, and we're gonna lift with the inner thigh. We lift up, 2, and down. Good. As you can see, I'm stretching through the top of the foot, pointing my toe, really leading with the inner thigh muscle, not with the hip flexor. Yes? So keep the leg low if your hip flexor kicks in. Single counts if you want it. Lift and lower. Good. Soft bend in that supporting leg. Lifted through the core and lifted through the chest. 2 more right here. You want to hold this position. It's little lift, little lift, little lift. Think inner thigh, big thigh muscle, deep core work. If all of those things are activated, then the hip flexor is going to release. 4, 3, flex your foot. Now push that heel to me. Push forward, stretch the leg. Come back. Good. So you're flexing the foot, drawing the toes to the shins. Ooh, yeah, that is some serious work on that front leg. Single count, sweep, push, release. Good. So I want you to push through the thigh. Push through your side bum muscle, not through your hip flexor. So again, drop that leg lower if you're feeling too much tension in the hip, or take it higher if you can, your call. Let's hold this here. Little lift, little lift, little lift. Keep lifting through your chest, keep connecting to your core. Bar posture is so important. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's finish with a balance. Draw your toe into the inner line of the leg, and then lift strong and tall. Push back through the knees, push down through the ground, lift through the crown of the head. 4, 3, 2, and release. Whoa, whoa, shake it out. And we'll stretch it out. So I'm just gonna turn to one side here, draw my heel to my seat, knees together, scoot your tailbone underneath you. That was some serious bar burn, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Oh, I felt it. I'm gonna stretch both sides, so feel free to do the same. You know what to expect. So now when we reset the body, I want you to think about all of those things. Think about what's next to come. And then prepare yourself mentally and physically. So you're gonna draw those heels together, open up through the toes. This time you're gonna take the opposite leg behind you. We'll start with those heel rises, up and down. Good, up and down. So it's important that you're not sinking into the wall behind you or sinking into your bar or support. You wanna stay lifted, strong and tall. 2 more right here, pulse it out, go up and up. Keep pushing this knee back. That's gonna help activate all the muscles in the thighs here. You wanna be right on the ball of the foot, toes are relaxed. You have 4, 3, heel stays high. Are you ready for that plie? Down, 2, and up. Stretch long, good. Deep knee bend, stretch long. That knee bends right over the center of the foot. So alignment is important here, so the muscles are working, not the joints. Single counts, 4, 8, and up. If it's too much, heel high. Heel into the ground works just as good. 4 more, let's go for 4, up. 3, oh yeah, that's shaky and quaky right there, ho. Let's hold and pulse right here, take it down, and down, and down. Let's not forget, this leg's already done some work today, so we should feel that. You should feel that, embrace that feeling. For 4, 3, drop the heel, take your foot in front, and we lift with the inner thigh and down, good. Now go slow to ensure that the muscles are doing the work. It's really important that we don't tighten through the hip flexor right here. We lift and lengthen, single counts. We go up and down, good. Keep pushing into that supporting heel, lifting through this hip. So we're not sitting into this hip. It's lifted, it's lengthened, it's strong and tall, even through that burn. Let's pulse it out. Little lift, little lift. Again, think inner thigh. Again, it does not matter how high that leg is. The leg can be low as long as the muscle connection is there. 4, 3, flex the foot. Here we go. We push forward and in. 4, no, we did slow, didn't we? We did. Forward, forward, in. Good, yes. Forward, forward, and then bend. 2 more, keep lifting tall. Keep those hips pointing forward. 8 singles here, we push. Think, push and press. Right through that heel every time. Push and press. There's resistance in both directions. You have 4, oh my goodness, I feel it. 3, oh my goodness, that hurts. 2, draw that heel forward. Pulse it long, good. 16, 15, 14. Oh, hello, bar burn. Hello, shakes and quakes. We got this. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Finding that balance, drawing the toe into the inner thigh, lifting through the chest, pushing that knee back. Let's do this for 4, 3, 2, and release. Well done. Shake it out. Then go ahead and find your stretch. Draw your heel to your seat, knees together, scoop your tailbone underneath you. And then the other side. Super good stuff, everybody.
Hey Bar Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next bar workout. See you soon.